On today's episode, we are going to be looking at how to easily buy and host a domain name. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola Oshimaiwa and I'm the mayor of Mayor Concept. What I simply do on this channel is to empower people with the necessary skills that they need to start making money online. And if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so that you'll be notified every single time I drop similar valuable videos like this on my channel. This is the module 3 of our web design course, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily buy and host a domain name. So we have different hosting providers. We have foreign hosting providers and we have local hosting providers. Hosting providers are companies that provide hosting services. To put it in simple terms, what they simply do is to help you host your domain name. And that is if your domain name hasn't been taken already. Yes, you have to check your domain name whether it is available before you can host your domain name. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you in this video how to check whether your domain name is available or someone else already has it for themselves. From my YouTube experience, I will highly recommend foreign hosting providers because they are much more stable. But the con side is that they are kind of expensive. But as someone that doesn't mind and is looking for quality, then I'll suggest that you go for foreign hosting providers. We have a lot of foreign hosting providers. You might be thinking, out of all these web hosting providers, which one should I choose? Because if you choose the wrong web hosting provider, which does not have stability, people might have difficulty in accessing your website when it is ready. You don't want that, do you? I highly recommend Namecheap or Hostinger. But if you're in a country like Nigeria, you might be having difficulties making payments with your card. I mean, you have to use a dollar card to make payments for these foreign hosting services, which might be difficult on your end, and which is why I will be recommending a local hosting that is also very, very stable and also very cheap and affordable. You were expecting me to say that, why in Nigeria to like cheap stuff? I guess we never know. Anyways, to some people, it might be expensive, and some people, it might be very, very cheap. But consider to other hosting platforms, it is kind of cheap and affordable. And also, you won't have difficulties making payments with your local card. So first, we will be starting with the local hosting provider. And the one I'll be recommending for you guys is Harmon Web. So there will be a link in the description that will take you directly to the website. So let's dive straight in. All right, so there will be a link in the description in which you can use to access Harmon Web. So this is the homepage of the Harmon Web website. So this is where you want to come over. All right. So as you can see, we have their popular packages. All right. So they have a shared hosting of 998 naira per month. All right, and 1,600 naira per month for WordPress hosting and blah blah blah. So the main thing we need, all right, so is in this shared hosting. But before we go about that, remember I told you guys that you have to check whether your domain name is available before you can proceed to actually purchase your domain, all right? So I'm going to be checking my domain name right here. So all you need to check your domain name is just to come over to this service right here and click on domain registration. Then as you can see right here, you can type in your domain name here to check whether your domain name will be available. So for example, if I type Mayor Concept right now and search for Mayor Concept, all right, so I'm gonna see that searching whether it's available. As you can see, mayorconcept.com, all right, .com is available. Now we have different types of all these domains, the .com.ng, we have .ng, we have .biz.net. I'm going to show you how you can get a free domain name, all right? So, because the .com is always much more expensive, but if you want to build a professional website, you can actually go for it. So, but I'm going to show you how you can get your a free domain name right here on Harmon Web, all right? So, all right, so I'm just gonna come over here to the home page, all right? All right, so then what you have to do now is just to come down and to, click on see all plans right here. All right. So as you can see, we have this particular plan right here in which you want to be going for, but we are not going for monthly. We want to be going for yearly. All right. So this is the amount that you'll be paying. All right. If you want to get started with this, and the first 10,000 naira and 78 naira yearly. So with this, you have two hosted domains. You can have two hosted domains. All right, look at all these blah blah blah. So free SSL certificate. This is also very, very important. It's very, very important. So, all right. And also one free domain, as you can see right here. They say they are going to give us one free domain if you actually purchase this package. So I'm kind of interested in this package. Also, later in this video, I'm going to show you how you can still cut your costs. All right. How you can still cut the cost more, like small costs from this 10,978. I'm going to be showing you, don't worry. All right. So we'll just stay, just hang along. All right. So then the next thing you want to do, click on purchase now. Okay. So now you are going to enter your domain. After you search your domain, you're going to enter the domain that you want to, use. So I'm going to enter the domain now. All right. So then you want to come over here and click on .com.ng. Remember that we are going for .com.ng because that's the only one they can give you for free. They cannot give you .com for free. It's not possible unless you are, actually buying another plan. All right. So you can see now we have quickrenewal.com.ng is available. All right. So then all we need to do now is just to come over here and click on continue. All right. So as you can see right here, it's saying the starter plan. All right. This is the order of our summary. So we are paying 10,978 for this package, all in total. What you just need to do right here on this page, all you need to do is just to click on continue. So all right. So this is what you'll be seeing. All right. So you'll be seeing all these. You see this starter plan, sites log. You can see I'm not paying for sites log, and you're not paying for domain registration. All right. So you're not paying for this quickrenewal.com.ng. Instead of you to pay for it, you're not paying for it. All right. So now, as you can see right here, you can apply a promo code to actually still cut this fee down. All right. So you have a promo code that you can apply to cut down the fee to something like 8,005 to 8,007. That was to save you extra like 2,000 naira or something like that. And this promo code will only be dropped on my WhatsApp community. So there will be a link in the description that you can use to join my WhatsApp community. So join immediately so that you can have access to this promo code to cut additional costs on this domain. So once you've gotten the promo code from the group, so all you just need to do is to type in the promo code right here. So as you can see now, the promotion code has been accepted and your order total has been updated. So if you come and check right here, so now the total is now 8,782, which is still more preferable than that of 10,000 something. All right. So you are still putting additional cost of something like 1,300, and that's still okay. And sorry for the break in transmission. If you have been tapping value from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, that was good. All right, now let's get back to the video. So then we're gonna click on checkout. All right. So now, once you read this checkout page, you have to fill in your details. All right. So before you can proceed with you have to create an account with them. All right. So this is just some simple details that you can easily input. So I'm just gonna input all my details. So once you are done filling your details, so just come over here and input your password. You have to input your password that you'll be using to log in into your account. All right. So I'm gonna input my password right here. So now here is where you choose your preferred method of payments. All right. So you're gonna choose whether you want to use your card or bank transfer or use your QR code, or you can even make payments online through Flutterwave. Me, I prefer this Flutterwave, and when I'm using Flutterwave. All right, so you don't have to join their mail, but if you want to, just click on yes. But if you don't want to, you can uncheck this and click on I have agreed, I have read and agreed to the terms and service. So you click on complete. So now it's going to redirect you to Flutterwave, where you can actually make payments. And as you can see, my payment has been confirmed. So thank you for making your payment. So once you have arrived at this stage, once you have completed your payment, go back to Amon Web, all right? let's go back to Amonweb and just log in. We can now log into our account. All right. Remember, we have created an account while we are. So we cannot go to the client area. All right. So we can now log in. And we're just going to be logging in right now. Log in with the email that you provided when you are filling the stuff. So just gonna click on login. And as you can see right now, we now have one domain, one services, and everything is now in place. Now we have successfully bought our domain name. On this domain right here, you're going to be seeing that quitrineo.com.ng is now active. All right. So quitrineo.com.ng is now active and it is enabled. All right. So in our next lesson, I'm going to be showing you how you can install WordPress and how to set up your website properly. I made Mayor of Mayor concept, and I'm going to see you in the next lesson.